The $1,500 stimulus tax credit is simply if you replace your heating and air conditioning system in your home with the proper efficiency, you then have the ability to get a credit on your taxes for up to $1,500. This is unprecedented. This is an excellent opportunity to replace equipment that many of us are already going to be replacing in the next 2, 3, 4, 5 years. Take advantage of the $1,500 tax credit because it's not a rebate, it's not a write-off, it's a tax credit, which is dollars in your hand. When you file your taxes, you will get, if you were getting $0 back, you would get $1,500 back. If you, for instance, were to owe $1,500, now you will not owe. It's a direct credit to you. As long as you have the equipment installed by the end of 2010, you can take advantage of the tax credit. That would be done on your 2010 if you get it done in 2009 or 2011 taxes filed. At this time, the tax credit is available to homeowners for their primary residence. However, if it's a geothermal unit, you can also use it on a secondary residence as well. They have not done this tax credit for businesses and industry as of yet. To apply for the tax credit, what you need to do is make sure that your HVAC company, your heating and air conditioning provider, gives you a sheet with the ARI number on it. ARI doesn't mean anything to you, and it doesn't have to, but to your heating and air conditioning professional, they know what ARI is, and make sure you get a certified copy of that, and just simply give it to your accountant, or keep it for yourself if you do it yourself, and there's a line item now on your tax forms, and you fill that in, but that would be your backup documentation. To take advantage of the tax credit, any purchase over $5,000 is going to give you a credit of up to or $1,500. Anything less, it's a percentage. Most systems today are going to run you over $5,000. Sizing doesn't matter, but efficiency does. So you want to make sure that your heating and air conditioning professional understands the code so that they give you the proper equipment, and efficiency is the main driver on the tax credit. How does the homeowner present to us, the heating and air conditioning professionals, that they're interested in the tax credit? And simply, you should say, I'm interested in the tax credit. But also, you may want to look at other products as well that don't qualify. For your particular situation, it may not make sense. I think for most it's going to, but any heating and air conditioning professional today certainly should come in with their qualified products to talk about the tax credit. To take advantage of the tax credit, do you need to spend a whole lot of money chasing a credit that may not be reasonable? No, the products that are acceptable under the tax credit are really and truly the products that most people are looking for anyway. Anything you put in today is going to be more efficient than what you have in the home existing or business. And today, the higher efficiencies most are going to qualify to get you into the tax credit mode. So you don't have to spend a whole lot of money just to chase the $1,500. Beyond just the tax credit, having the higher efficiency equipment in your home really will have a return on your investment. Based on a 10-year lifespan, for instance, and the prices that utilities give us, and the fact that the utility companies raise prices over the next 10 years and potential repairs, you'll actually pay for this system in savings alone, regardless of the tax credit. That's why I think now is an unprecedented time in the window to replace your heating and air conditioning products. It's a golden time to do it. What's the normal lifespan of my piece of equipment? That's another question I often ask. The average lifespan for a natural gas furnace is 12.7 years. A heat pump is about 10.5, and an air conditioner, depending on seasonality, is again going to run in the 10 to 12 year range. If you have a piece of equipment that is 10 or 12 years of age or older, now is the time to start your budgeting process. And if it's that old, take advantage of all that's out there right now in the next 12 to 24 months.